Top AI coding tools for developers in 2025. Hey developers, 2025 is here and AI is now changing how we code. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you the top AI tools making developers faster, smarter and more productive. Now without wasting any time, let's dive on this. At first, we have the AI tools named GitHub Copilot. So this AI will suggest entire line of your code, boilerplate and function in real time, and it works inside the VS Code and support the multiple languages like JavaScript, Python, TypeScript and many more, so you can easily find it and implement in the VS Code. So this AI tool might be helpful to you. And on the another, we have the AI tool named Codium. So this Codium is completely free for all individuals, like you can use ad free, and it supports over 70 languages and integrates with almost all IDs, and it provides a clean interface, faster suggestion and a solid alternative to Copilot. So you can use this AI tool on the alternative to Copilot. On the third one, we have the AI tool named Tab9. So basically, Tab9 is one of the most and popular AI tools for the developers. So it is perfect for the teams that value privacy, and it offers local models and smart completion with the security in mind. So it will work or support on various editors like JetBrains, VS Code and many more. So you can easily implement or get this tool on your VS Code, JetBrains and any other editor. And on the fourth one, we have the AI tools named Amazon Code Whisper. So this Code Whisper is Amazon AI coding tools. Basically, it is tailored for the cloud developers. So if you are the cloud developers, this AI tool might be helpful to you. So this AI will work best with AWS integration and support the languages like Python, Java and JavaScript. So this AI tool will definitely helpful for the cloud developers. And at the last one, we have the AI tool named Replit Ghostwriters. So on this AI tool, if you love browser-based coding, Replit Ghostwriter can be your friend. So it will help you by writing, explaining and debugging code directly in the browser. So it is great for the learners, prototypers and Chromebook users. So these AI tools might be helpful for the browser-based coding developers. So these are the top 5 best AI coding tools for the developers in 2025. Each tools have its own purposes and edges. So Copilot for deep integration, Codium for price, Tab9 for security, Amazon Code Whisper for the cloud developers. So you can, as usual, use this AI for your own purposes. And that's it. These are the AI coding tools for developers in 2025. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you can drop a comment on your favorite AI tool. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.